Find the equation of the line that passes through the point 5, 3, and is parallel to the line 5x minus 3y is equal to 4. Write your answer in the form y is equal to mx plus c. I know that if lines are parallel to one another, then their gradients are equal. The gradient of the line 5x minus 3y is equal to 4 is 5. This is because 5 is the number in front of the x. So, I will put m, the gradient, is equal to 5, into the equation, y is equal to mx plus c. To complete my equation I need to find c. This is where the line intersects the y-axis. This happens when x is equal to 0. Because the relationship between the x and y coordinates at the point 5, 3 is minus 2, then, the difference between the x and y coordinates when x is equal to 0, will also be minus 2. Therefore c is equal to minus 2. So I'll substitute c is equal to 2, into my equation to give, y is equal to 5x minus 2. This is the equation of the line that is parallel to the line, 5x minus 3y is equal to 4, and passes through the point 5, 3.